Save hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars a year with the push of a button. We call it one-touch tax relief. Introducing Taxbot. With one touch, you can track all your deductible business mileage using the GPS in your phone. Here's how the unique Taxbot Follow Me system works. When you begin your trip, touch Start. Using GPS technology, Taxbot follows wherever you go, every turn. And when you get back to where you started your trip, touch Stop. You'll have an accurate accounting of the exact mileage of your trip, automatically saved and stored in your Taxbot. One touch, and all your receipts and expense records are sent to the cloud, where they're stored securely according to IRS standards, which ensures you'll be bulletproof in an audit as long as you're following the rules. One touch links your mileage records to appointments or expenses. You can even link multiple expenses or appointments to a single mileage record. Plus 24/7 access to North America's #1 small business tax expert, Sandy Bodkin. Learn the wealth building secrets he teaches at Tony Robbins and Donald Trump seminars. Now that is one-touch tax relief. Tedious tax diaries and mileage clipboards are too cumbersome. With Taxbot, it's simple, easy, and lightning fast to record your deductions. What took minutes now takes seconds. On average, you can now log hundreds of deductions in an hour's time. Do the math. That's nearly $1,200 in deductions for each hour of use. And try our 30-day guarantee. If you use Taxbot for 30 days and don't accrue deductions equal to 20 times your monthly investment, we'll give you your money back. You're one touch away from saving thousands of dollars. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today.
Taxbot has been one of the best products that I've seen in many, many years. It has saved me already over $43,000, and I can testify to you that this is a product that you will definitely want to have.
This product is saving me thousands of dollars, and the thing that I like about it is it keeps track of all these little expenses that I normally would not have kept track of in the past.
I just have to say that I totally enjoy Taxbot services. It's absolutely phenomenal.
We're absolutely loving Taxbot in Canada. Speaking from our household, I'm the bookkeeper, and this service is saving us tons of time and tracks our deductions. It's fantastic.
I am a huge fan of Taxbot. It is very simple to use, whether you have a smartphone or the computer. It does everything for you. You just key in some basic stuff. I love the mileage tracker. No more clipboards with papers and can't find out where you wrote down your last mileage.
I love Taxbot. This thing is incredible. Saves me money, makes me money. Every single person in this country should have it somewhere in their life and factoring everything in.
Also, a great service is Sandy's Tips. I have learned so many ways of legitimizing everyday activities and turning them into tax-deductible business expenses.
So Taxbot's absolutely incredible. It's helped us a lot with our business. Every single one of my tradesmen love it, and so does every business owner that I sit down with. So
we absolutely love Taxbot. Great service. We use it every day. It saves us money from the day that we bought it, and we can't have enough good things to say about it. So thank you, Taxbot, for providing it.
It saves you tons of money, but it makes it very easy because it makes you think of tax deductions that you wouldn't normally think of on your own.
You've got a guy like Sandy Botkin who is willing to teach us and show us and lead the way. I found it to be the most versatile tool.
I ran real estate offices for many years, worked with realtors and trained many of them. Every realtor I know in this country should have Taxbot. I love this thing.
6 years my accountant's been telling me, you got to keep better records, you got to keep track of your mileage. Who keeps a logbook these days? It's just too much trouble. But now with Taxbot, I get in the car, I push a button, it tracks my mileage all through the GPS. I keep track of all my receipts, stores it in the cloud. Tax time, push a button, bring down the report. This makes it easy to save money on my tax dollars.
If you're not utilizing it, if you're not doing it, you're throwing money away.
Your accountant will love it at the end of the year when you have everything organized.
Prior to using Taxbot, I had no idea the money that I lost in my income tax returns. Taxbot has made me more aware of every dime that I spend. It tracks my spending, it tracks my miles, it simplifies it, and I don't know what I would do without Taxbot.
Taxbot is one of the greatest tools that I've ever used. I didn't know I could be saving this much money on taxes and getting it back at the end of the year. I'm just saying, go for it, try it out.
My name is Hans Draken, and I've been started with Taxbot since May 1. and have accumulated over $11,000 on the deduction already. And I'm very happy with it. My accountant already said, yes, that's the best tool ever.
As of today, I'm up to about $21,000 worth of tax deductions. It's a good thing.
I got a little letter from the IRS, and the IRS was auditing me for my files, and I let them know the company that I was affiliated with and this little application that I've been using as well. And I got a nice letter back from them. Guys, this is incredible. The IRS never stops an audit. And the letter said, we've reviewed your files and the company you're affiliated with, and we're accepting your files as filed. And you guys need to take advantage of this incredible opportunity.
Taxbot's the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Greatest service you'll ever use.
Go out and get it because it works.
It's a really great investment.
You got to get Taxbot if you are a business owner.
Obviously, you're going to spend money in business. Why not get the service?
I'd encourage you to get it.
So definitely get Taxbot. Huge fan. Is the least expensive thing you could ever do for yourself that will help you in the biggest amount. It is an awesome product. You will love it. Start today.
I am a Taxbot. I have been programmed for maximum deductions